In our Smart Money segment today, there are still a handful of undecided races, but the midterm elections are behind us with the main races decided. ABC 7 financial contributor and investment advisor Brian Mirau is here to talk to us about the impact the midterms could have on your investments and retirement. Brian, as always, thanks for coming on. With the Republicans winning the House, how could this affect the markets?
Well, Mark, thanks for having me today. You know, House Republicans, they're likely to try to pass bills focused on taxes, energy independence, strengthening the supply chain, and cracking down on illegal immigration and crime. Now, change can be good, and to have some balance in Washington may encourage many investors. Many analysts out here today expect markets to get a boost since we now have a divided government. You know, historically, markets have reacted well to a split Congress. But no matter who is in office, staying the course and maintaining a diversified portfolio is, in my opinion, the best way to move forward for investors.
Now, Brian, Democrats retained control of the Senate. They could expand their majority with a runoff election win in Georgia. What can we expect related to retirement concerns like inflation?
Well, you know, having the House and the Senate split can generally bring some stability to our country. And this can be good for businesses and could also reduce public spending. You know, this could really help to reduce inflation. Retirees and really everyone has had a run of expenses going up. And we're all hoping that a change in leadership is going to help reduce inflation. Now, when you're living on a fixed income, it's especially important to maintain a solid budget. And don't forget to monitor your budget every few months just to make sure that you're still on track.
Brian, how will these midterm results affect taxes?
Well, taxes will continue to be a huge discussion moving forward. You know, with a changing control of the House, you know, Democrats won't be able to pass legislation for higher taxes, and taxes have been on the rise since 2020. So hopefully we can have some relief there against future increases. But don't expect taxes to come down anytime soon.
Anything else you'd like to leave us with today, Brian?
Well, Mark, you know, a lot of people and a lot of different types of risk to your investment exist out there in retirement and your assets. You know, one of them is legislative risk and public policy risk. While we can vote in hopes of improving this, you know, we don't have a lot of control over here. What we do have control over is how we handle our emotions when it comes to our finances. And we want to make sure that we maintain a long-term perspective when it comes to your financial decisions. You don't want to make knee-jerk decisions based on your concerns about politics. Stick to your plan and stick to what your financial advisor has you on track for, and put in place and adjust slightly if that's needed. Now, my firm at Mirau Capital is here to help, you know, if you've got any questions.
And you can reach Brian at the number on your screen. That's 888-668-9327. ABC 7 financial contributor Brian Mirau, founder of Mirau Capital Management. Thanks as always for your time.
Mark, thanks for having me today.